I'm really excited to show you this amazing toy for kids, and honestly, not just for kids, that you can pick up at IKEA. It goes by the code name LILLABO, and it's essentially a beautifully designed wooden mechanical pulley train made to work perfectly with your train set. At first glance, it looks simple, but once you get it running, you'll see it's surprisingly powerful and fun. Now, before you rush to put it on the tracks, there are a couple of things you should know. This train does not come with batteries included in the box, but it definitely requires them in order to run. Specifically, you'll need 2 AAA batteries to bring this little beast to life. You'll also need a small screwdriver to open the battery compartment and secure them inside. That little detail might feel like a hassle at first, but it actually makes sure the batteries won't pop out accidentally during play, which is especially helpful if kids are handling it all the time. Once you've got the batteries installed, the fun really begins.